What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope everybody's doing well. We're gonna go over our friend Bitcoin. Currently, we're sitting at 19.9K, down 0.29 on the day. Sitting market cap of 384 billion, 24-hour volume 38.47 billion. If you're new to Bybit, make sure to sign up. $4,000 blast off bonus for 13 more days. Zero spot trading fees until December 31st. Celebrating 10 million users. You can sign up through the link in the comments. My favorite exchange for trading. Okay, we're seeing a little bit of sell-off right now. So what we're looking at here, I updated this in the Discord, is that we've completed a 5-wave move. Now we can still come down, like micro counting can be inaccurate, so we could potentially still come down, create a lower low, and still be putting in a wave 5 to the downside. Preferably you'd want to see a 5-wave move, but it's hard to see with micro counting. So if we do come down here and we start to bounce, what we'd be looking for is a wave 2 pullback. We do have a bullish divergence. We're creating lower lows while creating higher lows on the RSI as well as the money flow. So we are starting to sell off right now. So depending, oh, this is a big red candle. Depending on where this bottoms out, if it stops at this level of support, then your wave 2 would take you up in between 21.1 and 22K. If we see a bounce from this level, if we continue to drop, then we'd have to move our wave 2 down, as obviously we'd have to move our Fibonacci down, and it would change the wave 2 pullback target. But now the ABC correction is less likely because we can see a more clear 5-wave move to the downside. So this just gives more confirmation to us coming down in a wave 5, and this not being the low for Bitcoin, as I've been mentioning for months now. So we'll have to see where we bottom out. If it is right here, then we could bounce in a wave 2 in between 21.1 and 22K, where I'll be looking to add to my short position. And if we do continue to come down, then we just have to give a new target for that potential wave 2 pullback. That is what I'm looking at here. We got rejected from this trend line, so if we do bounce, what we could do is bounce back up into this trend line at about 21.5K, get rejected again, just as we did here. We got rejected, we came back to the trend line, got rejected again. So that's what we may see in our wave 2 pullback for BTC. Looks like we may come down to retest this level of support about 18.9K, where we've seen multiple bounces. So we'll see if we can hold that level. We're starting to break down from this bear flag. You guys know I'm not much of a patterns trader, but the technical target is all the way down here, about 17.7K, which lines up with that previous low. All right, guys, I do think we are coming down to 11 to 13K, as I've been mentioning. I think this is a wave 4 pullback, and we're still looking to come down in a wave 5 to take you down here in between 11 to 13K. And we have a wave 3 target. If I put this back over to the 4-hour, right now we're beginning our wave 3, and the target is down here at about 12.9K. for a potential wave 3. Let me measure that one more time with the trend-based extension from the top of wave 1 to the bottom of wave 1 to the top of wave 2. Yeah, basically 12K is your wave 3 target. So that's basically it for this little update. We'll see where we bottom out here for BTC. If it is right here, we begin to bounce, then watch for a rejection in between 21.1 and 22K with a minimum target of 20.7 for a wave 2 pullback, and then seeing continuation to the downside. I do not think we will come up and break this high, but if we were to do that, then we could focus on a bullish scenario, but I don't think it's likely. All right, guys, that's basically it for this one. Big shout out to the Discord, over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. And at the $10 membership, you can get my exact entries, exits, and take profits. Let me quickly close this. Just locked in some gains on our BTC short trade. I will look to add to the position, and we'll be updating it here in the trade signal. So you can get my spot trades, my leverage trades at 10 bucks a month, and over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. All right, guys, that is it for this one. I will see you in the next video. Sign up to Bybit, check out my full length tutorial, and you can follow me on IG if you'd like to. The link is in the description, and I'll see you in the next one. All right, peace, much love.